In this video, I'm going to show you how to use functions and math operators to add precision to your object's movements. We have set up a surprise birthday tea party for the Mad Hatter with other Alice in Wonderland characters. In this scene, each character will enter the scene and stand at different points around the table. We will use functions and procedures to make sure they stand at the exact points we want them to. As you can see, I've added 4 moving objects. 2 are on one side of the scene, and 2 are on the other. I've positioned the camera so the moving objects are just out of view, and used procedures to precisely position them so they are facing towards the table. I want them to each move to the table, then surprise the Mad Hatter and say happy birthday. First, let's program the Queen to move to the table. I use the move toward procedure so it moves the direction of the table, and then select an arbitrary value for the distance. To have her move the precise distance to the table, drag the getDistanceTo function to the distance argument and select the t-table as the target. Run the animation. The Queen is right in the center of the table because the getDistanceTo function calculates distance to the center of the object you are moving to. I use math operators to reduce the distance that the Queen travels, and I select 2 meters. Now the Queen lands right at the edge of the table. The rabbit is confused, so we program him to move to the white mushroom at the back and then to the table. Select an arbitrary value for the move toward distance. Then drag the getDistanceTo function into the distance argument. Reduce the distance by half a meter using a math operator. Then drag in the turn to face procedure and have the rabbit turn to face the table. Then have him move to the table. Since he's a magical rabbit, let's have him raise up a little in the air when he gets to the table so we can see him. Now let's have the other 2 moving objects enter the scene and they will all shout happy birthday. The moving objects are hidden to the left. Let's use the move toward procedure again to move them to the table. We will have the Cheshire Cat and Mad Hatter move there at the same time, so we use the do together control statement. Now everyone will shout, "Happy birthday, Mad Hatter!" We will quickly copy and paste the say procedure and change the objects, an easy shortcut since they are all saying the same thing. Let's change the duration to 2 seconds. Then the Mad Hatter will jump up and down 3 times in excitement and simultaneously say thank you. We will use the count control statement to repeat this up and down motion 3 times. We'll nest it inside of a do together control statement so he says thank you at the same time that he hops up and down. Finally, I'm going to add descriptive comments that detail what my program does. I'll add them above each segment of code. Let's play the complete animation. In this video, you learned how to use functions and math operators to control object movements. Thanks for watching.